Welcome back and thanks for watching. This is another stock analysis video on Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. In this video we're going to be looking at the 20-day, 30-minute chart to analyze the near-term trend and ways you can trade Bank of America coming up. To start, we're going to look at this beautiful uptrend that Bank of America is currently in, and this uptrend is just fantastic. You have the start here, and it's actually in this nice channel, which channels are our favorite pattern. They've proven to work. They always work. And until you get something that within the price action that says, you know what, this channel isn't justified, price stays in it, and it continues to trade higher or lower depending if it's a upward or downward channel. However, looking at this channel, we have a nice move, and we're staying like right in the middle of the channel, which is so healthy. I mean, we're spiking up after the close. These gaps represent the opens and close. Again, like I said, it's a 20-minute, 30-minute chart. But after the close, it keeps after the open, it keeps those gains. It trades sideways. Some days it trades down. But then you have beautiful. After the earnings, they reported great earnings, traded up, and now it's trading towards the bottom of that range. So we think this is actually a really good time to buy Bank of America. If we extend this chart out a little bit, let's go to the 30-day 1 hour. You can see just how awesome this uptrend is. Now looking at the daily, you're not going to run into any trouble just yet. You still have some room to run. You have up into the mid 14s to the high 14s until you meet that resistance. We think that's going to be a challenging point. It's proven to be a challenging point for Bank of America. I mean, even if you look here, you can see my crosshairs. They go across the screen. If you follow from where the pen is all the way on the left, where those lows are, if you come all the way to the left, we're at that midline. Okay, this is like the midline of the chart, and you can see how that's proven an area of activity. So it's called the pivot point. So this area, it's very important. If we can get above it, you can see Bank of America, shoot off. That's talking about technically. Of course, everything is depending on earnings and the rest of the financial sector, which has been doing awesome, the past few weeks with great earnings. But until you get above this midline area, it's going to either stay below or stay above. So it needs to get above, and then it'll trade higher. If not, it's going to stay underneath, and you'll probably see Bank of America trade down into the 13s again. We're actually in Bank of America. We got in around 1250, I believe, right in this area. Once when it broke this previous resistance, and we've held on to it. We had a nice gain here, but we thought we could see Bank of America trade higher, and we ended up coming back down to our break even, and now we're starting to approach this area again. So we're considering taking some off the table if we get to that area again. But that's essentially what we wanted to talk about in this video, is this pivot line and this awesome channel it's in. This channel can propel it above that pivot line, and then it'll need to hold above that line for at least a few weeks. This has been another stock analysis video by NLC Capital. Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias, especially Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades all the time. And visit our website, where you can get those free trades in real time, and subscribe to our service, where we're up 75% this year. Thank you, happy trading, and subscribe.